In this bad situation, most of the people are losing their jobs due to many reasons, but remember, if you want to earn extra cash from online, you have to watch this video step by step. Today I want to share how you will get paid $500 per month easily by copying and pasting from only one trusted website easily by using your computer or your mobile phone. But remember, if you want to earn extra cash, you have to search lots of websites on online. And today I want to share about trusted websites to earn extra cash from home easily on your computer or your mobile phone. So step by step, this website is called www.hey. This is make money online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are a first time in my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. On the other hand, if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. On the other hand, if you want to get such types of videos, please comment on my comment box. So let's get started. Right, this is the amazing website I'm in. This is called spinincash.com. Spinincash.com is a trustworthy website to earn extra cash without any types of knowledge or experience, or without investing any money from any corner of the world. First time, if you create your account on this sign spin in cash, you will be able to get 35 sign up bonus from here. On the other hand, you will be able to get lots of benefited from here. First of all, sign up bonus is 35, and then this one is share and earn. You will be able to get $15 from this by referring on different types of social media like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, or Telegram channel or WhatsApp group like this. On the other hand, for every click you will receive, you will earn $3 extra from this website easily. This one is payment proof, as you can see here, or whatever you like. And there are lots of testimonials. Lots of people are working on this website. I think this one are the members, and this one are the paid payment method are also available here. You'll be able to get step by step informations from this website. So stay tuned from first to last from here. First of all, you have to create your account. Just click on this uh, sign up bonus over here and provide all the information. First of all, if you click on this over here, on its next interface, you have to provide all the informations. As you can see here, first name, username, email address, password, repeat password, and you have to click on this box over here. Just click on this sign up button over here, and after providing all the informations, you will be able to get login on this interface, I think. All right, creating your account, you'll be able to get this next feature. I think first time you are watching their dashboard, refer and earn promotion posts over here, tax wall over here, $5,200 and $40 post submissions and $80 post submission for posters over here, and you will be able to get lots of amazing feature. I think after creating your account, you will get this link, I mean referral link, from every friend. I mean referral link will be able to get $15 from here. On the other hand, this one is another extra cash, $2 for every person who clicks on it. So you can provide or share this link on Facebook, I mean Telegram channel, Twitter, or Instagram, or WhatsApp group, or other Pinterest group over here. So mass sharing, or more sharing, more earning from here. This one is the first time you can earn, and this one is my $35. I have got this sign up a bonus from this spinincash.com. Now I would like to share how you will provide all the information to set up your account at a glance. Just click on this my account over here and have to provide all the information to set up your account perfectly. And this one is my username and all the details over here. First of all, this one you have to complete. So then option is change password. You can change your password over here more and more for secure your account, I mean spinincash.com. Just if you come to this payment method, you will be able to get this payment method, I mean PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Bitcoin, Mail, check over here. So you can use any types of method from here. So first of all, I'd like to add this account, I mean Bitcoin address account. Just select this one from here and payment details, I mean Bitcoin wallet address you have to provide. So how you will get this Bitcoin address. First of all, you have to come to this Coinbase account. Just click on this address over here, and you will be able to get this amazing feature, providing all the name and email address and password. You will be able to get this Coinbase account. There are lots of wallet over here. I mean, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash over here. First of all, you have to click on this Bitcoin, and then just click on this wallet over here, and this one is a receipt, and you will be able to get this address over here. Just copy this one from here and coming to this interface, just paste over here, and then just add payment method, and you can get connected by using your PayPal account or other wallet over here. I have connected my payment method by using Bitcoin address. So this one is the first time you have to set up your account on spinning cash. Now I'd like to share another one how you will uh, start your work on this particular website over here. Just click on this dashboard, and you will be able to get lots of features to start your earning from here. This one are the taxes. First one is referral friends. If you want to earn by sharing your link, I mean referring, just you will be able to get $15 per referral and extra $2 over here. Second one is download apps over here, 35. If you download any types of apps from here, you will be able to get $35. On the other hand, complete service, you can survey any types of work on this particular survey website, I think. Next one is create YouTube videos. You can create your videos on this spinincash.com as a new YouTuber or a experienced YouTuber. You will be get paid $40 first time. So I have shared about referral friends. If you come to this download apps over here, you will be able to get this amazing feature. Complete the easy taxes below to earn extra money. This will be automatically added to your account within 5 to 10 minutes. You can only complete this offer once over here. So this one is a reminder, you can 20% of the earnings your referral boxes. Make your taxes also encourage them to do more over here. And then this one are the unlock you to start your free streaming trial. Sign up bonus over here 150, 35, 35 over here, and there are lots of work over here. You can get connected to start points from here. Now if I come to this dashboard again, you will be able to get this complete survey. Just I am opening this survey work. What type of work you are going to start over here? First of all, if you click on this, you will be able to get this continue button over here. Instructions to follow, just continue button. Click on this and just wait. And this one you have to provide your email address, then password over here. Click your or create your account on this particular website, I think. All right, this one is a congratulations message. You have won 3,50,000 free coins at my jackpot coins over here. Click here to claim now, and you have to claim more and more or again and again to get your bonuses from this website, I think. So provide your username over here, and this one is another interface. You have to provide your email address, and this one is password. You have to sign up on this particular website, I think. So just work on this particular website. Just click on this sign up bonus over here. Please for play for me, you have to play on different types of casino to ensure more and more points over here. So this one is level 1. You have to play now over here to get benefited from different types of website, I think. After providing all the informations, you can get paid or different types of bonuses like this. I mean 200 2 lakh 50,000 over here. And there are lots of survey games, I think, or survey works over here. And this one is, can you spot the difference and complete the quiz within 100 score over here. And this one is, take the hard stone quiz over here. Just click on this and you will be able to get this amazing feature, I think. Can you spot the difference and continue over here. And this one will be the amazing interface, I think. Please click here to continue over here, and then you'll be able to get this as for the difference key over here. And this one is the start quiz, and just click on this now. There is a picture. You'll be able to get these quiz images in different, I think you have to source from here. This one is different. You have to click on this, I mean, next interface will be opened in front of all of you. Just click on this next button over here, and this one is amazing feature, I think. Which image is different, just click on this different different pixels, I mean b over here, and then you have to wait for next survey like this. You can fill up all types of survey from here, more and more. And which image is different, you have to source from here like this. How, what is the next images, you have to source from here. And this one is A, this one is B, and this one is C, and this one is D. You have to mark over here. This one is different, I think. D I have selected from here, and next interface will be able to in front of you, and just wait, and next button over here, click on this. And this one is another picture. Which image is different, you have to source from here. Just observing all the pictures from these four pictures, you have to fill up, I mean select this one. All right, there are lots of works you can just survey. I mean, complete this work from here to get lots of bonuses like this 150.135 35 points, 35 points over here. You will be able to get lots of bonuses by completing all types of jobs over here. Now I'd like to share another one. If you come to this profile, this one is a lucky wheel. Earn up to $1,000 using lucky wheel. One of the best way to earn. Just click on this, you'll be able to get this amazing feature to complete all the who is from here. There are lots of work here like this you can complete from here. Now I like to share another one, how you will withdraw your amount of money from this website easily. So if you come to your profile, just click on this payment and invoices over here, and you will be able to get lifetime earnings $35, current balance $35, pending zero, method Bitcoin. I have used this Bitcoin over here. So now I like to share if I want to withdraw amount of money from here, how you will if you just click on this cash out your earnings over here, you will get this amazing feature for withdrawal amount of money from this spin in cash.com. Cash out requirements: to prevent fraud, you must meet these requirements below to cash out for the first time. After that, all future cash outs will be instant. This one is click 0%. I have this is my new account, and I have completed some works on this interface. I think taxes I have completed something, and I need only 5%, and this one is also required 6% over here, and this one is track how close you are to reaching the requirements of your first cash out over here. If you come to this scrolling down over here, and this amount of money is $35, and payment section, I have selected Bitcoin address, and minimum withdrawal amount of money is $100. If I earn from this spinincash.com, minimum win $1, I $100, I'll be able to request for that amount of money. Just provide your amount of money, I mean $100. Just click on this request payment, you will be able to get paid from this spincash.com. So thanks for watching my videos till the end. I could request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. If you want to earn without any types of skill or knowledge or experience, follow this channel step by step. Just click on this playlist button over here, you'll be able to get lots of videos on make money online tricks and YouTube channel tips and tricks. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.